Have you ever wondered how you can make your garden more sustainable? Welcome to the world of permaculture, a system that merges ecology with landscape design for sustainable gardening. Today we'll explore the top 5 permaculture principles. Stay tuned to discover some insightful tips that can revolutionize your gardening experience. First on our list is the principle of observation and interaction. This involves understanding the natural rhythms and patterns in your garden. Remember, effective interaction with nature fosters sustainable gardening practices. Observation and interaction, simple yet powerful, wouldn't you agree? Moving on to the second principle, catch and store energy. This principle nudges us to gather and conserve resources when they're plentiful for use during leaner times. Think about collecting rainwater, composting, or harnessing solar power. Harnessing energy efficiently is truly a game changer in sustainable gardening. Next, we have 3 interconnected principles. Obtain a yield. This is about reaping the rewards of your efforts, ensuring you're gaining tangible benefits from your garden. Apply self-regulation, a principle that encourages us to avoid waste and overconsumption by being mindful of our needs and outputs. Lastly, use and value renewable resources. This principle emphasizes the importance of sustainability, urging us to harness the power of renewable resources, such as the sun, wind, or water. These principles not only help in maintaining a sustainable garden, but also contribute to a sustainable lifestyle. And that, dear viewers, were the top 5 permaculture principles for sustainable gardening. Remember to observe, store energy, yield, self-regulate, and value renewables. Why not try integrating these principles into your green spaces? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Happy gardening!